How are you guys doing today? So I've created like this shimmery red and goldeny look for a Christmas party that I'm going for at my kids' school, and I have used a lot of new products, new to me, in this video. So if you're interested in how I created this look and finding out what products I used, then just keep watching. So today I have a bunch of new makeup. Well, kinda either new to me or new to the channel. As you can see, I'm wearing red. There is a Christmas party at my kids' school, and believe it or not, my husband's gonna play Santa Claus. So there's gonna be a weird Indian Santa Claus with a strong Indian accent. Let's see how that goes. I'll try to insert either a clip or a picture in this video somewhere so you guys can experience that with me. Okay, so the first thing I need is some face cream. I have already prepped my under eye area with my usual Strivectin cream. I just took a shower, as you can tell that my hair is wet. I'm going to start off with some either fresh lotus cream or fresh rose cream, you know, from Fresh Cosmetics. So the first thing I have picked out is fresh lotus cream, just because that little dubby, as we call it, container came first to my hand. And I have tried these a few times before. I really like the consistency of them. I actually absolutely love the rose face mask from them. By the way, I have actually moisturized my lips with the fresh sugar, whatever, you know, the conditioner. That also, I have been using it for a few days and I like it, but nothing like, you know, that I would start jumping up and down and telling people to go buy it, okay? But I love these face creams. These are pretty lightweight. Like, they don't leave my face feeling greasy, but they're very moisturizing as well, so I like them. Next, I have a Yensa Color Plus Face Tone Up Essential Glow Primer. I got a little tube of their facial scrub with Ipsy, and I liked it so much that I actually ordered the primer and the replacement for the facial scrub. I have used up the little tube that I got with Ipsy since then, and then I have moved on to the bigger tube that I purchased. I keep on looking at the viewfinder. Where have I been looking this whole time? I have no idea. I might have been looking at the viewfinder. I'm sorry about that. So, I've used this primer before and I don't know. I don't feel any kind of glow stuff in it. I have used glowy primers before. Feels nice, feels kind of slightly tacky. I don't see anything glowing, do you? Moving on, I'm gonna use Tarte High Performance Neutrals Found Sealer. I don't remember if I have shared this with you guys before. It's in the shade 48S Tan Deep Sand, and I have shared in the past that all the foundations that Tarte has made in the past, the shades are off. This one is near perfect, or rather I would say it's a slight bit darker than what my actual skin tone is, or not, I don't know. Sometimes, like, usually by the end of winters it would be, but I absolutely like it, you know. I like the way my face looks with this one. The reason why I keep on looking at the viewfinder is because I haven't brought a mirror with me, and I should have. So hold on a second. Much better. Now I'll keep on looking down there because that's where the mirror is. So Found Sealer makes me want to think that it has like concealer built in or something. I don't think it's that high a coverage per se, but it's like the coverage that I like, so I'm not gonna complain. I actually absolutely love it applied with the Juno and Company sponge. How long has it been? It's been a while, hasn't it? Since I shared this sponge with you guys, and I still like it. So, it's a keeper. So, do you think my under eyes are concealed enough that I don't need a concealer? To be honest, I don't think that. I don't feel that way. So, I'm gonna use a concealer. That's one thing that is new. It's the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer, and the shade I have is 5W. I haven't really heard any reviews or anything about it. I think the foundation had really good reviews. I just bought it kind of, you know, at the spur of the moment. Now, to set my face, I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Velvetizer. Now, I'm not sure if this thing is still in the market or not. I bought it and I shared it with you guys. I remember I liked it very much, but since then I've been liking the Shop Missy and Bella Pierre and the Fenty Beauty powder that I got. I remember this one was like very thin. It's supposed to be like a foundation mixer, but I think it still has a slight that it doesn't work like that for me. But yeah, I still like it as a setting powder because it's so fine. I'm going to need to do some major panning in 2020. Maybe I'll kind of put like 20 products to pan in 2020 or something. You know, that'll be a good project to do. What do you guys think? Let's do some brows. I didn't get a brow pencil, which might be a bad idea. I have a really old Benefit Gimme Brow in my collection. This is the deep brown color. I have had it for a long time. Got it as a sample with something. Never kind of used it. I like the Ulta Beauty tinted brow thing, which makes me think that maybe I like this one too. Oh, I have a brow pencil right here. I'm recording in my living room. Why? Because there's a Christmas tree there. And I'm actually kind of reorganizing my recording room in a way that I could possibly move my jewelry making stuff inside as well. And then we'll be able to use as kind of our office. All right, now a product that I'm very excited about. It's the Flower Beauty Blush Balm. I swatched it when it arrived. This is kind of the only Cyber Monday purchase that I did. I ordered $30 worth of stuff from Flower Beauty. There was like a 30% discount and it ended up being $30 with that discount, and there was free shipping. And I got like 4 products, which is ridiculous. So anyways, so this is one of those. I've heard very good things about it. When I swatched it, I had a feeling that it is going to work very much like my e.l.f. Duo. Let's see. I really like the tube. Can you see it? I really liked it when I applied it at the back of my hand. I don't know if it's the light or what. I guess my skin tone is naturally so yellow that it's not showing up. Anyways, let's move on. The thing that I was really excited about, the Francesca, is it? Gilded palette from Ofra. So it has 2 bronzers and 2 highlighters. Got it from Ulta with 20% discount and with just my points. So there are the 2 bronzers at the bottom and then the 2 highlighters kind of at the top. Let's start with Bisque. Is it showing up at all? That's not. So let's go with bronzed. This one is showing. Ooh, that was not a good idea. Oh my god. Okay, so this one is, which is good. Okay, so let's take the peachy highlighter called Venezia. So I'm gonna go with Versus now. Versus, right? Am I saying it right? I will add on a blush later. But so far, this is where we are. Now, for my eye palettes, I have multiples. I have the Natasha Denona Mini Gold, ABH, and Jackie Aina palette. And I have a little BH Cosmetics Illusion palette. I saw it in one of those aisles, you know, just as you're exiting Ulta, where they put it to kind of tempt you guys. And it did tempt me. I walked away that day. But when I was using my points recently, I decided to pick it up because I was like, I'm using points. I have used a Jackie Aina palette before. So let's start with that. I'm going in Ginger, beautiful shade. I guess this would be my perfect bronzer shade. Was I supposed to zoom you guys in this whole time? Let's do it now. I'm gonna take a smaller blender brush and let's go on Supreme, the peachy shadow. Oh, that's a gorgeous shadow. Since there isn't a red matte, I'm gonna go in the BH Cosmetics palette. It looks like a slightly pinky red. This palette is very new to me. I haven't used it before. Hey, I was supposed to use an eye primer. I forgot. I have an Ofra eyeshadow primer that I picked up a while ago when I did my surprise, or what is it called, mystery bag purchase. Okay, now that my lids just kind of look weirdly red, let's go into Wigglyzy. I'm pretty sure I'm saying it wrong. Okay, I'm gonna take it with my face. Oh, so pretty. Looks like a dual chromie. Very pretty. Okay, I want to use the Zamn shade. Don't know if I need a wet brush for that. Maybe I do. Let me get a setting spray super quick. I just picked up the Flower Beauty setting spray. I don't have a new setting spray. I'm gonna spray it first. And then let's pick up Examine. It is definitely giving me some fallout, which means it's going to transfer up on my hood as well. Okay, let's go back in Wiggles and kind of blend the edges. I want my outer corner to be darker. I'm gonna take the shadow credit. What do you guys think? Maybe I want a blue eyeliner. So I'm gonna take the blue shadow on a liner brush and create a liner with it. If you have been on my channel since the beginning, since the days I had no clue how to do any liner, this used to be my favorite way of lining my eyes. Then on the same brush, I'm gonna take this like really light blue shimmer and I'm gonna apply that on my lower lash line. This is actually the shadow for which I have purchased this palette. Blue shadow on the lower lash line is not really a good look for me. I'm gonna take the green in here and then go over the blue liner. Yeah, I like that. I like that. And actually that's more Christmassy, isn't it? A green with the red and gold. Now the blue is looking very out of place. Yeah, I'm going over the blue with the gold now. Then it's kind of making it look greenish. I want something on the inner corner. I'm gonna take Soleil. For mascara, I actually have one of Tati's favorite, the Collab Beauty Mascara. It's a black brown shade. I didn't realize that when I purchased it, and it's been a while since I purchased it, so I can't really exchange it. But I tried it recently and I realized it's brown, and since then I just stopped and didn't use it again. It has a very interesting one. It's a very thick formula. It can like stand its peaks. What is it called? You know, when you're whipping thing, they call it like standing peaks. But anyway, that's my eye makeup. So I did pick up an e.l.f. blush when I was picking up the setting spray. Let's apply a little bit of it. This is a very pigmented blush. Go very lightly with it. Now for my lips, I have a few different options. I have the Gingerbread Man from Too Faced. Color that's kind of not really. I have a little YSL thing that came in the Sephora, whatever the sampler thing, and then I have a Smashbox shimmery lippy. I feel like if I applied this, it'd be way too red. I'm gonna go with the darker Smashbox shade. My lips are pretty dry and metallic lipsticks is not the greatest idea. Let's set the face. That's it. That's my final look. It's pretty Christmassy, isn't it? And this is another of my earrings that I make. I absolutely love this design. I like the lines because it's like a modern pattern on a very traditional looking earring. So let me know what you guys think about the products. I'm very disappointed that the shade is so off on me. Or maybe it is, you know what, maybe it is like the foundation with this shade doesn't work. Maybe that's it. You know, I need to try it. You know, as I get a little bit lighter during the winters, then maybe that'll work. If you have any thoughts about any of the products I used today, or if you have used those products and you have different opinion than what I said, please let me know so in the comments below. Keep it respectful. You guys already know that. I don't have to say it. But yeah, thank you again for joining me. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to all of you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Go get a picture with him. Go, Kashi. Go. Sorry, he opened it because the is so clear. So now you can go. Take a picture.